Welcome to Advanced Worship Guitar Tutorials. My name is Spencer Cormany from leadingworshipwell.com, and in this video, you're going to learn how to lead the song Heart of Worship by Matt Redman with just you and an acoustic guitar. Before we get into the tutorial, though, I want to let you know that I'm going to be using some advanced guitar chords throughout this tutorial. Don't worry, I'll show you everything that you need to know, but if you want to learn even more of those advanced guitar chords, make sure to check out the link in the description down below to a free PDF called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I'll show you even more advanced guitar chords that you can use to level up your guitar playing. Other than that, let's get into the tutorial. When the music fades and all is stripped away and I simply come longing just to bring something that's a word that will bless your heart. I'll bring you more than a song, for a song in itself is not what you have required. You search much deeper within, through the way things appear. You're looking into my heart. I'm coming back to the heart of worship, and it's all about you. It's all about you, Jesus. I'm sorry, Lord, for the thing I made it. When it's all about you, it's all about you, Jesus. King of endless words, no one could express how much you deserve. Though I'm weak and poor, all I have is yours, every single breath. I'll bring you more than a song, for a song in itself not what you have required. You search much deeper within, through the way things appear. You're looking into my heart. I'm coming back to the heart of worship, and it's all about you. It's all about you, Jesus. I'm sorry, Lord, for the thing I've made it. When it's all about you, it's all about you, Jesus. I'm coming back to the heart of worship, and it's all about you. It's all about you, Jesus. I'm sorry, Lord, for the thing I've made it. When it's all about you, it's all about you, Jesus. Congratulations, now you know how to lead the song Heart of Worship by Matt Redman with just you and an acoustic guitar. Hey, if you liked some of those advanced guitar chords that I just used and showed you all throughout the tutorial, there are more of them for you. Just check out the link in the description below to the free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I'll show you even more advanced guitar chords that you can substitute for those boring old guitar chords that you've been playing, and you can level up your guitar playing pretty quickly because of it. So check that out in the description below. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Till I see you in the next video. Keep leading worship well.